In this video, we are going to discuss the new marketing realities, or we can call it marketing management tasks. So, the summarization of the three market forces, two key market outcomes, and four fundamental pillars of the holistic marketing that help to capture the new marketing realities. With these concepts in place, we are going to identify a specific set of tasks that make successful marketing management and marketing leadership. So, the first is developing marketing strategies and plans. So, it is the task facing Atlas is to identify its potential long run opportunities given its market experience and core competencies. This content of marketing management tasks is we are going to discuss with the example of Atlas. So, Atlas can design its cameras with better features. It can make a line of digital video cameras, or it can use it core competencies in optics to design a line of binoculars and telescopes. Whichever direction it chooses, it must develop concrete marketing plans that specify the marketing strategy and tactics going forward. So the company need to go for so many questions and identify what should be done in these aspects, such as how can the company can spot and choose the right market segment, how can the company differentiate their offerings, how should the company respond to the customers who buy, or how to decide the price, how can the company can compete against lowest cost lowest price competitors. So there are so many such questions that the marketers need to identify. The second is capturing marketing insights. So here the Atlas needs a reliable marketing information system to closely monitor its marketing environment so it can continuously assess market potential and forecast the demand. Its microenvironment consists of all the players who affect its ability to produce and sell cameras, such as suppliers, marketing intermediaries, customers, and competitors. Its macroenvironment includes pastel factors like demographic, economic, physical, technological, political, legal, and socio-cultural factors that affects sales and the profit. So here the company also needs a dependable marketing research system to transform strategy into programs. Marketing managers must make basic decisions about their expenditures, activities, and budget allocation. They may use sales response functions that show how the amount of money spent in each applications will affect sales and profits. The third point is connecting with the customers. Here, the company must consider how to best create value for its chosen target market and develop strong, profitable, long term relationship with the customers. To do so, it needs to understand consumer markets, who buys cameras and why buys cameras, what features and prices the customers are looking for, and where do they shop these cameras. Atlas also sells 35 cameras to business markets including large corporations, professional firms, retailers, and government agencies, where purchasing agents or buying committees make the decision. So here the company need to gain a full understanding of how these organizational buyers buy. It needs a sales force well trained in presenting product benefits, and the company must also take into account changing global opportunities and the challenges. The next is building strong brands. So here the company will not want to market to all possible customers. It must divide the market into major market segments, evaluate each segment and target those it can best serve. Suppose the company decided to focus on the consumer market and develop a positioning strategy. Should it position itself as the Cadillac brand, offering superior cameras at a premium price with excellent service and strong advertising, or it should build a simple, low priced camera aimed at more price conscious consumers? or something in between. So here the company must understand the strength and weakness of the brand as consumers see it. Is its 35 film heritage a handicap in the digital camera market? So the company must consider growth strategies while also paying close attention to the competitors, anticipating their moves and knowing how to react quickly and decisively. It may want to initiate some surprise moves, in which case it needs to anticipate how its competitors will respond. The next is creating value. So at the heart of marketing program is the product, the firm's tangible offering to the market, which includes the product quality, design, features and packagings. To gain a competitive advantage, Atlas may provide leasing, delivery, repair and training as a part of its product offering. Based on its product positioning, the company must initiate new product development, testing, and launching as part of its long term view. A critical marketing decision relates to price. So the company must decide on wholesale and retail prices, discounts, allowances, and credit terms. Its price should match well with the offer's perceived value, otherwise, buyers will turn to competitors' product. Next is communicating the value. So here the company must also adequately communicate to the target market the value embodied by its product and services. It will need an integrated marketing communication program that maximizes the individual and collective contribution of all communication activities. So the company need to set up mass communication program consisting of advertising, sales promotion, events and public relations. It also has to tap into online, social media, and mobile options to reach consumers whenever and wherever it may be appropriate. So the company also need to plan more personal communications in the form of direct and database marketing, as well as hire, train, and motivate the salesperson. And the next is delivering value. Here the company must also determine how to properly deliver to the target market and value embodied in its product and services. Channel activities include those the company undertakes to make the product accessible and available to the target customers. The company must identify, recruit, and link various marketing facilitators to supply the products and services efficiently to the target market. So the company must understand the various types of retailers, wholesalers, physical distribution firms, and how they make their decisions. The next and the last step is conducting marketing responsibly for the long term sustainable success. So, finally, the company must build a marketing organization capable of responsibly implementing the marketing plan, because surprises and disappointments can occur as marketing plans unfold. So, the company will need feedback and control to understand the efficiency and effectiveness of its marketing activities and how it can improve them. So, these all contents that we are discussing, it is from the Philip Kotler, which is the best book for knowing the fundamentals of marketing management. So, this is all up to this video.